Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And yes, here we are with my little pottery wheel here. And we're just gonna start right out. I have no idea what I'm doing here, but we're just gonna give this a go. Just thought I'd save a little time here, and I'm gonna put down a pillow of white Sherwin-Williams color to go, and then I'm gonna layer a cup over on the side of Liquitex Muted Violet and Solar Dust Color Shift Green, Blue, and Purple, and that's gonna go in between all my layers of Atelier Free Flow Dioxazine Purple, Golden Quinacridone Magenta, and this little Piggy Aspen. And I just keep layering those in the cup, and you will be seeing that quite shortly here, probably right about now. Please enjoy the video. I'm going to start it out a little slow. Here we go. And here's my cup. Run it over. So, okay, it's okay if we use just half of it. That looks a little interesting. And I know that's slow. Maybe I can take a little cell activator. Grab a little white cell activator on my just stirring that up a little bit. And I'm going to put some of the cell activator onto my tool here. Whoop. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna actually stop it first to see what that looks like. It's cool. I'm actually gonna let it go. I'm gonna spin it out a little bit just to see how, I know I only have cells in the middle, but I kind of like the way that looks right now. Looks a little yin yang in the middle. was all experimenting. So that was this little Piggy Horizon. Here's my white cell activator. And let's give it a whirl. To 150 now, 155, 160, 170, 180, 190. And obviously that's not the way to go, although this is different. Kind of looks like oh, they look like a flower. Kind of interesting. Well, that's different. Okay, so this is not the norm. This is not. So let's wait a minute here. Some of the pillow coming up from the bottom, and that could also be because of the wood. But it kind of went on top of one another. Almost could look a little watercolor. The way it went light. You know what? I'd like to see the way this dries. This might be an interesting piece because it could be like a flower. Might have something here. Thin. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. Be sure to see our special message at the end. Try a regular bloom. And I'm going to put down a little bit. Whoop, that went a little bit too much. Dioxazine purple, Atelier free flow, and some golden Quinacridone Magenta. So much left here. This little Piggy peach. Put peach there. Let's put a little drop of peach. Just giving it a little stir. Gel here. Put a drop of that copper. Didn't want to put that much copper. Then white cell activator there. And here's my little blow dryer. I think I'm going to be able to get down there to blow. Okay, we got pretty nice cells there. Cells are pretty good. This is up to 160 right now. $175. It's $185. $190. think that looks pretty well, pretty decent for first try. What do you think? I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I think this is a winner. Pottery wheel is my friend. Okie doke. So I think we had three great ones today. Look how beautiful. Actually, these cells are quite interesting. A cell and a cell and a cell. Look at that. Okay, so please give me a thumbs up. Tomorrow will be another interesting day. Having fun with this. Look at the shine in there. Wow. Look at those piggies shine. They are gorgeous. Yes, they are. Okay, so please give me a thumbs up. Come back tomorrow. It's a poorer day. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Please be safe out there. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. Okay, I just wanted to remind everyone of our Galaxy Pour. May the 4th be with you. May the 4th be with you on May 4th. And if you'd like to join us, please comment below, and I'll be sure to get in touch with you. So far, we have 5. Yes, we have 5 people who have joined up with us. I am happy to say we have Cynthia Porter Studio, JB Pour Art, Jana Bremick, The Morning Pour with Holly, Amy's Creative Acrylics, and just today, Glowing Citrine has added her name to our list. So we can't wait for our Galaxy Pour. It's going to be great. See you then. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now.